Okay, welcome back to the Tonebar channel. Okay, this is going to be part one of the Fender Kingman Tonebar conversion. So there's no pins. Okay, what happened was, get this microphone up here. Okay, what happened was the G string. Let's see if you can see that. The G string was too short, and then it slipped out, and then instead of putting a new string on there, I want the same set of strings on there, and what I done was I took so this is going to be the sound test with the Tonebar in there. Sorry I cut the video off. It was 33 minutes anyway, and that's the longest I can let a thing run. Okay, our sponsor is ToneBar. We just put, in the next video, you'll see where I clean this bass up, put a Tonebar in it. But what happened in the meantime, while I was going through the installation, the pin broke. Look at that. The head snapped right off of it. Look at that. These are end pins for guitars. That's what you put in the end of an acoustic guitar. Okay, so we was eliminating the pins anyway, and the fact that they broke, that's what they do. That's why you don't need them. They're junk. They do nothing. They wedge the string down in there, this is no joke. The Tonebar is no joke. Pins are the joke. Okay? Alright, so I'm going to try to play the same thing I played last time, hopefully in the other video, with the Tonebar in and the thing tuned up. Let's tune it up real quick. Make sure she's tuned up. Now, like I said before, I don't expect the Tonebar to have a giant difference in the sound of this guitar, but it's a bass guitar, so we're just going to play it acoustically, and then I got a little microcube hooked up, a little bass microcube. So I'll try to remember what I played last time. Barney Miller. Real solid sounded. I mean, with a bass, it's not much telling, but the beauty of the Tonebar is that at least we got rid of the pins. We'll never break another pin. If we change the strings, we just slide the strings off the Tonebar and slide it back on. There's no breaking. It eliminates the problem of the pins forever. Okay, let's see. So we did another key. Hang on. That's just purely acoustic. All right. It's hard to play this standing up with no strap on it. Okay. Fuck. And then my favorite. Okay, now we're just gonna turn the amp up. Okay, so okay, let's see what we do after that. Okay. Let's see. Like I said, this is going to be part one, because the bass messed up, the string messed up. I wasn't expecting all the trouble I have with this, but this is the earlier version of the California series. It looks brand new. Got that nice wood grain down the middle. Looks like a Les Paul Spotlight Special. Got that gold pick guard. It's got the jazz neck on it. These are $400 or $500, sometimes $600. It plays really good now. I'll set it up. I cut the nut down. I had to sand down on the side a little bit. Had to adjust the truss rod just a little bit. This thing must have been setting for a long time because it looks pretty new, and I got an incredible deal on this. This was the deal on this was just ridiculous. But I bought sight unseen. And it's nice. I like it. I like it. It's a good thing to have. You know, you can play unplugged stuff with it, but the little micro cube, I got it set on the flat top setting with everything flat. But okay, well, thanks for watching. Get a ToneBar. The ToneBar is a new system and method for putting strings on your guitar. I have my prototype right here with me right now. But get one. Everybody that's bought one, I know that you're enjoying your guitar now. And I got another video coming with some updates and some updates and some other things. So take care of those that you love, and see you next time on the ToneBar channel. And okay, I got 180,000 views on this channel, but I only sold 1,200 ToneBars. So, you know, please buy one. It does what it says it does. Read the feedback on eBay. All you trolls and all you people that are all you guys that are supposedly in the know, quit commenting on the shit unless you buy one. Try it, and then if it doesn't work for you, which it will, then comment. Keep your comments till after you tried it. Don't tell me that broccoli tastes bad unless you eat some. Okay, why does a positive track rear end on a Pontiac work? It just does. Why does a ToneBar work? It just does. It's physics. It's not hocus pocus. It's not snake oil. It's just that this guy come along and found the right material, the right size, the right design, the right application, and I got the patent on it. The patent office don't give patents to anything. That's bullshit. Okay? They look at every patent. You know where Einstein worked at? Einstein worked at the patent office. So there you go. All right, well, take care of those you love, and buy a ToneBar. I will ship you one out as soon as I get the order. Live right down the street from the post office. Thanks for watching. Take care of those that you love.